Good day, everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to set up the online appointment booking for PatientXpress. First, you will need to log in your Open Dental or Practice Web and your PatientXpress dashboard. After that, you will then need to log in on your Open Dental or Practice Web. Once logged in, click on the Setup button showed on your screen, so Setup button, Appointments, and click Appointment Types. Click on the Add button. Now, fill in the name of the appointment, adjust the time scroller on the left, or you can just use the associated procedure time pattern for this appointment. Once you applied all necessary details for your appointment, just click on the Save button on the lower right of that page. This is how I set up mine. I use the time scroller on the left-hand side to set the time of the appointment regardless of the procedure added to this appointment. After hitting the Save button, it should now show the appointment we created on the Appointment Types page. With that being said, we can now go ahead and set up the online appointment booking page on our PX dashboard. In order for you to access the PX dashboard, you just need to click on the PXD button on your Open Dental or Practice Web application. It's usually located right next to the PX button, or if not, there should be a link that was given to you for you to access that. Once successfully logged into the dashboard, click on the human icon shown on the screen and click on Configurations. Now click on the icon on the opposite side of Configure Online Scheduling. Now click on Add New Schedule. Once on this screen, change the type to Appointment Type, and on the Select Appointment Type, select the appointment you've created in Open Dental, and hit Save. Once you hit Save, you can now go ahead and access the online appointment booking link that was given to you by your PatientXpress staff. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one.